In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT conversation not showing. Let's get started. First, I'm going to navigate to the sidebar on the left side of the screen and click on the menu icon at the very top. This opens up the side panel, where I can see my profile at the bottom left. I'll click on my profile name, which reveals a pop-up menu with several account options. From this list, I'm going to select Log Out. A confirmation prompt appears asking if I am sure I want to log out, so I'll click the black Log Out button to proceed. The screen will display a message indicating that it is logging out of all accounts. Once the page reloads, I'm back on the main ChatGPT welcome screen. Now, I'll go back down to the bottom left and click the Login button. This opens the sign-in modal, where I'll choose Continue with Google. The system will take a moment to authenticate, and then it will redirect me right back into the main chat interface. Next, I'll go back down to the bottom left corner and click on my profile name once more to bring up the profile menu. This time, I will select Settings from the options list. This opens the main Settings dialog box. From the menu on the left side of this dialog box, I'm going to select Data Controls. Under the Data Controls options, I can see a section for archived chats, and I'll click the Manage button right next to it. This brings up a list of all my archived conversations. I see a chat here named Reminders, and I'll go ahead and click directly on it. This actions opens up the specific conversation back in the main view, but notice at the bottom it says this conversation is archived and gives me an option to unarchive it. I'll click the Unarchive button to restore it. To double check everything, I'll move my cursor back to the top left and click the menu icon again to expand the sidebar. Now I can verify that the conversation has been successfully restored to my recent history list. If that doesn't completely resolve the issue, we can try one more step. I'll go up to the top right corner of my Google Chrome browser and click on the three vertical dots to open the main browser menu. From here, I'll hover down and select Clear Browsing Data. This opens up the Browser Settings tab with a pop-up titled Delete Browsing Data. I'll make sure the time range is set to all time and that the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and cached images are checked. Then, I'll click the blue Delete Data button in the bottom right corner. Once the browser finishes clearing the data, I can close out the Settings tab and return to ChatGPT. Finally, I'll click the Refresh button in the Browser tab to reload the page, and the layout should now fully display all of my regular conversations normally. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.